Now to find the freedom fighters.
Adventurer, have you come to join our righteous cause? We are the Goblins, tired of forced oppression. Freedom fighters, one and all! Though I am glad you showed up, because I'm pretty sure I couldn't fight my way out of a wet paper bag.
I'm very passionate about the cause of Goblin freedom. I'm also passionate about getting paid.
Oh, there'll be coin in it for you. But first, we must shatter the chains of oppression, fight for glorious Goblin freedom, and rebuke the tyranny of Dragon God Volcanar.
Hang on, back up. Did you just say Dragon God?
Don't worry. I'm mostly totally sure he's a false god. Now, come along! It's time to free my goblin brothers and sisters! The brave few who clamored for freedom have been exiled from the mountain by Volcanar. He is a cruel master, demanding tribute from our enslaved people once a week. If he is displeased by the offering, his punishment is harsh. We must put a stop to it once and for all! And with your help, I might finally earn my for nosebleed.
Nosebleed?
It's a badge of honor representing full membership in the GTFO. The leadership doubted my abilities, but we'll show them. And now the entrance isn't far.
You shall have extra peanut butter this night. Where will fate lead me next?
Damn it all! The entrance has been sealed! What are we gonna do? It's not working! No good!
Huh. Impenetrable barrier. Well, I guess the goblins are screwed. Oh well, we tried.
Come on, Valentine, we can figure this out. It's a puzzle of some kind.
Bingo dingo, Fredalicious.
But we've already shot at it. And hit it with heavy objects. I mean, that's all I've got.
Do we detect any magic?
And lo, the mysteries of the seemingly impenetrable barrier are revealed to you! What you gonna do?
Follow the ley lines, obviously.
I'll, stay here and keep an eye on the barrier.
Yes, stay here. I'll handle this.
Oh, and don't worry about killing any goblins that are working for Volcanar. They're traitors to goblin cause. They deserve exactly what they get.
You see before you a big, fancy, schmancy, magical machine, do hickey-dickory-dock.
That looks promising.
Never a move. Such a murderous mushroom.
Oh, whatever you just did, the barrier is weakened.
no offense, but that machine looked a bit too complicated to be a goblin made.
Well, that's just hurtful. Even if true. But yes, they must be the work of the foul troll oracles that serve foul Varkanar with their foul magics and create their foul machines.
Foul. Got it.
Before you stands yet another magical whatchamadoozy.
Let's. No, I know. I heard it as soon as I said it. I know.
A little for me, a lot for you. Unstoppable! Out of spell slots! That's the good stuff!
The barrier is down! Now's our chance! Get back here! Okay, here we go. This is really happening. Time to earn my nose ring! Let's do this! Okay, I am impressed. Now for the next. Venture into the mountain and put them up all over the place. The goblins should rally to our cause.
Life is for living.
Now get to killing!
So you say you want a revolution? Well, you know, we all want to save the gobs.
What the hell was that?
GTFO!
I don't know. It just sort of popped into my head.
And did you have to say everything that popped into your head?
Yes?
You know what makes troll mad? Oh, little warning next time would be nice. Ready to cast! You were short work. What happened? Where's those gods? Don't make me mad! Overload!
Back to work, lazy gobs! Or become kill! A natural killer, okay?
A credit to the breed. Honest tumble.
That was a close one. Thought he was gonna strip the green off my board.
An axe. I think it's time for my little green friend to fend for herself. I have something for you.
What? What is it? Oh my god, a weapon! Look, I have some GTFO training, but I've never been in a real fight before!
You have a fire inside you. Use it. You ready?
Okay, if you say so. But right now, it's time to claim the caverns for the glorious resistance! Raise the GTFO flag! Okay, child. This is your big moment. Don't screw it up. Hear me, my goblin king! The revolution is upon us! GTFO is here to free you from bondage under the false gods barking on! Join us, and together we will cast off the chains of oppression! Now, how do I turn this thing off?
Decisions.
Ready for the next phase of our operation? I did some recon earlier and spotted a bunch of political prisoners in the lakeside village. We gotta free them! There it is. Are you ready? We need to free the GTFO prisoners. But be careful. The troll jailers are tough as gobnails. I'll join you in a sec. Fight on, champion!
Damn it! Get out here! Let me out of this goddamn
Spells are up!
Please!
Beautiful here. Seems like a strange place for a prison.
Oh, it's the worst, isn't it? Natural beauty, sunshine, fresh air. It makes me sick that they subject goblins to such horrible conditions.
Fulminate! And give it all.
You gotta get me! Let go!
Piss off to the hereafter.
You did it! And the prisoners are finally safe back in their dank pits. Oh, how I miss my dank pits. But there's still more to be done.